This month's featured OE Fix is our new hub assembly, now available for over 1 million Toyota applications from 2016 to 2003. Original hub assemblies typically fail due to rust and seized components. Removal of the failed hub often causes damage and eventually leads to the replacement of the entire assembly. Replacement through the dealer is time-consuming and costly, as each component must be purchased separately, assembled and pressed using special machinery. Dorman's OE Fix hub assembly is ready to install right out of the box, saving technicians time. For a complete repair, Dorman's direct replacement hub assemblies include all necessary components and hardware.